Alright guys, I've had a couple requests now to go over how to change the 2G board to the 3G board because Husqvarna had an update and these 2G boards no longer work. So this is a quick overview how you do it. First thing we got to do is take the top body off. And expose the underside of the mower. Then with your T20, you got to remove each one of the bolts. I'll do that real quick. That's all the bolts. Now the top piece is going to come right off, and you're going to have one wire right here, that major ribbon cable. We're going to go ahead and separate it. And then the whole top chassis comes right on off. Now for the time being, we're going to set the sod father off to the side. And that will expose what you see here. And this is what we're actually going to change. This is the board, the connectivity board. I don't know if you can see this. There's only 4 screws that hold that board on. We're going to remove those 4 screws and this cable. That's it. Be real careful because the cable, it's got really teeny tiny pins in there. You don't want to damage it. And we'll get the new board. Alright, now we got our new board. And what we're going to do, I don't know if you can see, the pins that you have here are going to line up with the pin receiving piece on this side. Make sure you get a good, real good connection. Then that board just sets right in place. Take the 4 screws, put them back in. Then we'll get the bottom half of the sod father and reassemble him. Now that big ribbon cable that we took off in the beginning, be very careful. We don't want to get anything, hung up in here. We don't want to pinch it when we're putting it back together. So we'll go ahead and put that in. And I'll get you a close-up of this so you can see what's going on here. you can see right here, the way that ribbon cable hooks in, these are going to line right up. When you line the ribbon cable up and you slide it down in, you'll see the two tabs come back over. I do this one-handed. You can see how that pinches that right in there. And we'll continue our assembly. Whole body's going to slide right over the top. Again, we don't want to pinch anything. Once he's in place, go ahead and replace these screws. Feel free to fast forward through this part of the video. This is just putting it back together. Then we're going to put the body of the sod father back on, making sure that we line up all four of those pucks. You can see they set right into the recesses. Then once you're on, 1, 2, 3, 4, you have successfully replaced the connectivity board. And in the next video, I'll show you how we do the auto check program to update it. Thanks for watching, guys.